Good morning, students. Today, uh, we shall read the remaining part of chapter 9. Madam Rides the Bus. Okay, this is written by Wali Kannan. Okay, so in this chapter, you have already read how Wali manage everything to go for travel. She arranged 60 passes for the fare from her pocket money. Okay, she got the information from the people who regularly go to the city. Okay, and she has also calculated the time, how much she will take to move from house to city and from city to house. Okay, and which time will be favorable for her, she thinked or she planned before. Okay, so we shall read the second part of chapter 9. Okay, page number 90. Check there. Well, one fine spring day, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village and turning into the main highway when a small voice was heard shouting, "Stop the bus, stop the bus," and a teeny hand was raised commandingly controlling. Here, well means the writer is saying, well, okay, it was the day of February and March. So you know that in spring there will be February and March month. Okay, it is very pleasant weather. Okay, so in this month there will be a pleasant month. Okay, so she selected these 2 months. Okay, it means it was the springtime when Bali was standing uh, in front of her gate. Okay, when the bus was coming towards her, she raised her hands to stop the bus. Okay, and she shouted loudly, "Stop the bus, stop the bus." Okay, at that time she was only 8 years old. She raised her hands, stop the bus, crying in front of her house. Understood? The bus slowed down to the crawl, and the conductor, sticking his head out the door, said, "Hurry up, then tell whoever it is to come quickly." The bus slowed down. When she saw the bus, okay, she cried loudly, "Stop the bus." Then the conductor listened, and the bus crawled slowly towards her, and the bus stopped. Okay, the conductor asked, "Who will go?" Okay, here slow down the crawl means slowly. Okay, the conductor asked, raising his head outside of the door, asked, hurry up. Okay, tell whoever means count, whoever it is to come quickly. Okay, whoever told her come quickly. Okay, यानी जल्दी से बोलो. Okay, it is me, shouted Wally. I am the one who has to get down. Wally himself means the girl who stopped the bus, who herself want to get up in the bus. Okay, उसने बताया कि नहीं कोई दूसरा नहीं, मैं, I am the only girl, okay, who want to travel. Okay, by now the bus had come to a stop, and the conductor said, "Oh, really? You don't say so." Means when the bus was crawling towards her, when the bus stopped where she was standing, the conductor asked, "Really, you want to go?" Okay. Wally said, "Yes, I simply have to go to town," said Wally, still standing outside the bus. Okay, and here's my money. She showed him some coins. Some coins means 30 paise. Okay, means at that time when the bus came over there, okay, the conductor asked, whoever want to go. Valli herself said, I want to go. Okay. The bus stopped where she was standing. The conductor asked, really you want to go? The girl said, yes, really I want to go. Okay. She was still outside of the gate. Okay. And she was showing her money in her little hands. Okay, as a fare. She showed her fare 30 paise in her hand and told the conductor, I herself want to go. Okay. Okay, but first you must get on the bus, said the conductor, and he stretched out a hand to help her up. Stretch means phailana. Okay, means when Valli showed her money in her hand, the conductor told, okay, first let you come inside the bus. Okay, so that the conductor raised his hands to help Valli. ओके इसलिए कंडक्टर अपने हाथों को बाहर बढ़ाता है ताकि वल्ली को अंदर कर सके. क्यों? क्योंकि सी वॉज वेरी लिटिल, क्योंकि वो छोटी बच्ची थी. ओके, नेवर माइंड सी सेड, आई कैन गेट ऑन माई बाई माई सेल्फ, यू डोंट हैव टू हेल्प मी. ओके, सो वल्ली सेड, आई हर सेल्फ गेट इन टू द बस. ओके, सो डोंट हेल्प मी. यानी वो लड़की कहती है कि मुझे हेल्प मत करो, मैं खुद ही चढ़ जाऊंगी. Means I herself get up in the bus, so don't help me. The conductor was a jolly, short and fond of joking. The conductor, you know very well, he is always in a funny mood. Okay, or jolly means here happy and cheerful. Okay, and he was fond of joking. Okay. Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam. So, in her mimicry way, okay, means in her jolly way, the conductor asked, madam, really, don't be angry with me, okay? यानी मुझसे गुस्सा मत हो. You can climb up yourself, okay, my fine madam. And he introduced him, madam, okay. He said, here's have a seat right up there in front. Okay, so there is your seat right in front of. Okay, जो फ्रंट में जैसे शीशा लगा होता है उसके ठीक एक साइड में ड्राइवर होता है, दूसरे साइड में खाली स्पेस. तो जो कंडक्टर है उसे हाथ दिखाता है. ओके, गो एंड सीट, टेक योर सीट. ओके, हियर्स हैव ए सीट राइट अप देयर इन फ्रंट. ओके, एवरीबडी मूव असाइड प्लीज, make way for madam. So the conductor told the passenger, okay, everyone move aside please, means give the way please. Okay, why? Make way for madam. Okay, so madam is entering, so give the space. Understood? It was the slack time of day. Slack time matlab a time when there is not much work, means not rush. ओके, मीन्स इट वॉज द डे ऑफ नून टाइम. ओके, सो अब जानते हैं जनरली कि नून टाइम में लोग ज़्यादातर आवाजाही नहीं करते हैं. रीज़न ये है कि जिसको काम पे जाना होता है वो सुबह सुबह चला जाता है. ठीक है, तो दोपहर के समय रश बहुत कम होता है. ओके, सो इट वॉज द स्लैक टाइम एंड देयर वर ओनली 6 and 7 पैसेंजर्स ऑन द बस. ओनली देयर वर 6 or 7 पैसेंजर्स inside the bus. Okay, they were all looking at Valli and laughing with the conductor. Okay, means all the passengers who are in the bus, they were looking a little girl. Okay, and they were taking fun also. Okay, Valli was overcome with sadness. At that time, when every passenger were laughing with the conductor, she felt very sorry. Okay, avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. So she walked quickly, avoiding laughing of the people up and conductor. She went at her seat and sit over there. Okay, See there, second part. May we start now, madam? The conductor asked, smiling. When she get on in the bus, the conductor asked again in the name of madam, can we start now? Miss, can we move now? Okay, in a smiling way. Then he blew his whistle twice, and the bus moved forward with a roar. Means then the conductor got the decision from the girl, and he blew whistle 2 times. The bus moved from there. Okay, see, it was a new bus. Its outside painted a gleaming white with some green stripes along the side. So the bus was very new. Okay, it was new bus, understood, and its outside were attractive color, and there was a flat painting with white color, and on that white color there was a stripe of ग्रीन पेंटिंग्स. ओके, यानी स्ट्राइप मीन्स खांच होता है, यानी उस पर खांच बने हुए थे 5. अंडरस्टूड. एंड इट वाज ग्लेमिंग मीन्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग, शाइनिंग, एंड द स्ट्राइप्स वेर शाइनिंग एंड इट वाज लुकिंग वेरी नाइस. ओके, इनसाइड द ओवरहेड बार्स shone like silver, and you know the bars means handles or rod which is attached to the roof of the bus, so that the passengers who stood in the bus, they can catch properly. Okay, so it was looking very nice. Okay, it was looking just like it is made of silver. Understood. See, डायरेक्टली इन फ्रंट ऑफ वैली above the windshield मतलब शीशा के ऊपर, in front means in front there was a beautiful clock, means in front of the bus there was a beautiful clock. Okay, the seat were soft and luxurious, and the seat of the bus in which she travel, it was very luxurious. Do you know? Comfortable, and it was very fluffy, मतलब soft. Okay, so she was feeling very happy in the bus. Okay, see, Valley devoured everything with her eyes. Valley devoured means observed, viewed. Okay, देखी means Valley, the little girl who is only 8 years old, she viewed everything carefully from the bus. Okay, but when she started to look outside, she found her view cut off by a canvas blind that covered the lower part of her window. Okay, but when she wanted to see outside of the window, okay, there was the canvas slides, so that it was not possible for her to look outside properly. Again, why? Because she was a little girl, and there was a window, and on the window you have already seen there was a canvas slides. Okay, canvas hide, यानी यहाँ से यहाँ तक आपने देखा होगा कि वो ढका होता है. वल्ली उतनी ही थी, इसलिए वहाँ से वो आसानी से बाहर नहीं देख सकती थी क्योंकि वो छोटी थी. Okay, covered lower part of her window, so she stood up on the seat and peered over the blind. Okay, so that she stood on the berth. Okay, यानी वो सीट पे खड़ा होती है, and she peered up मतलब देखना, झांकना, and she peered outside of the window, यानी वह उस पे खड़ी होकर बाहर की ओर झांकने लगी. The bus was now going along the bank of a canal. Means again the bus moved towards the canal side. Okay, along the bank of the canal. Understood? Means the bus was moving along the canals. Okay, यानी कैनाल के जो सटे हुए जो पास से जो किनारे किनारे रोड थी उस पर अब बस गुजरने लगी. द रोड वॉज वेरी नैरो एंड द रोड विच वॉज मेड along the canals, it was very narrow. Okay, on one side there was the canal, means one side of the road there was a canal, and beyond it there was palm tree, grassland, distant mountains, and the blue sky only. Means these are the things she saw the second side of the canal's road. On the other side was a deep ditch, and she saw the another side of the road, okay, was a ditch, okay, and then acres and acres of a green field, and after that ditch there was acres and acres were green field, crops field, okay, green as far as the eye could see. यानी जितनी दूर तक उसकी आंखों से दिखाई दे रहा था उतना ही ग्रीन दिखाई दे रहा था. मतलब everything which was looking or which was see viewing, okay, it was only green in color, okay. Oh, it was all so wonderful, and again she was telling so wonderful sights, okay. Suddenly she was startled by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice, you shouldn't stand like that, sit down. Suddenly, when she was viewing from the window, an elderly man scolded him not to view outside of the window. Okay, startled by voice, startled by to threatening. Okay, यानी एक व्यक्ति उसे थ्रेटन कर रहा था. Listen, child, said a voice, you shouldn't stand like that. तुम ऐसे नहीं खड़ा हो सकती. मतलब it is dangerous for you not to stand this way. So better for you to sit down. Okay. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. So sitting down, she sit on her seat, okay, and she bent behind to look who is telling. Okay. It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her, but she was annoyed by his attention. Annoyed means to get angry. Means the elderly man was scolding him because she was very little, but she annoyed with the elder man. Why? Because she want to look outside, but he scolded her. Okay, so she annoyed with that man. Okay, there's nobody here who's a child, she said haughtily. Haughtily मतलब proudly. Means she proudly told the man, I'm not a child. Okay, there's nobody here. Means no one is here a child. Okay, I have paid my 30 paise like everyone else. She also told, I paid 30 paise like you all. So why you can say I am a child? I paid 30 paise just like the others. So I am not a child. Okay. The conductor chimed in. Chimed means to interfere. Okay. Oh sir, but this is a very grown-up madam. Do you think a girl could pay her own fare and travel to the city all alone? The conductor interfered when the elder man and the girl were talking with each other. Okay, so the conductor interfered and said, oh sir, but this is a very grown-up madam. This is a very grown-up madam. This is an extraordinary madam. Okay, and you know very well a mere girl cannot travel alone. Okay, and she cannot also pay her fare. Okay, understood? Bully shot an angry glance at the conductor. Sudden मतलब very hurriedly look. Shot at glance मतलब बहुत जल्दी से मुड़ती है कंडक्टर की ओर. She bent towards the conductor. Okay, or she turned toward the conductor angrily. Okay, Bully shot an angry glance. मतलब वो क्रोधित से उसकी ओर देखती है, किधर, कंडक्टर की ओर. ओके, एंड सेड, और कहती है, आई एम नॉट ए मैडम. सो आई एम नॉट ए मैडम. ओके, प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट, एंड यू हैव नॉट येट गिवन मी माई टिकट, एंड आई हैव पेड 30 पैसे, बट यू हैव नॉट गिवन माई टिकट टिल नाउ. ओके, यानी वो कंडक्टर से कहती है कि मैंने 30 पैसे तुम्हें ऑलरेडी पेड कर चुकी हूँ, लेकिन तुमने टिकट नहीं दिया. ओके, आई विल रिमेंबर, द कंडक्टर सेड, मिमिकली हर टोन. Everyone laughed and gradually Wally too joined in the laughter. Okay, I will remember. कहता है कि ओ मुझे याद होगा. ओके, यानी कंडक्टर कहता है ओ यस यस. ओके, द कंडक्टर से मिमिक्री मतलब कॉपिंग करते हुए. ओके, मिमिक्री जैसे किसी की आवाज़ को आप मिमिक्री करते हैं, कॉपी करते हैं. ओ हर टोन यानी उसी के टोन में, ओ मैडम. ओके, द कंडक्टर सेड मिमिक्री हर टोन, एवरीवन लाफ्ड. ओके, सभी जो लोग पैसेंजर्स थे वो हंसने लगे. ओके, ग्रेजुअली वैली टू ज्वाइंड इन द लाफ्टर, और वैली भी उनके साथ हंसने लगी. द कंडक्टर पंच्ड अ टिकट एंड हैंडेड इट टू हर. अगेन द कंडक्टर पंच्ड हर टिकट. ओके, एंड हैंड ओवर इन हर हैंड, यानी वो टिकट निकालता है और पिंच करके उसके हाथों में दे देता है. पंचिंग मतलब आप जानते हैं उसे, जैसे आप टिकट के पैसे पे कर देते हैं तो उसे पंचिंग करके जो कंडक्टर है उसे देता है. ओके, जस्ट सिट बैक एंड मेक योर सेल्फ कंफर्टेबल, और गिविंग टू द गर्ल हर टिकट, द कंडक्टर सेड, गो एंड सीट एट योर सीट. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. सी, why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? And he also told to the madam, if you have paid money, so go and sit. Why you are standing over here? Okay, यानी तुमने पैसा पेड किया है तो तुम अपनी सीट पे बैठो. Okay, why you are standing? Because I want to. She answered and standing up again. फिर वह दोबारा खड़ी हुई थी, कहती है कि I want to see outside. Okay, I want to मतलब I want to see outside so that I am standing here. But if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself when the bus makes a sharp turn or hit a bump. Again, the conductor told the girl, okay, it means if you are standing, you may fall. Okay, why? If there will be jolting, अगर धक्के लगते हैं. If it is bump मतलब जो स्पीड ब्रेकर है उसके कारण. ओके, you may fall herself. Okay, means sorry, but if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself when the bus make a sharp turn. Okay, if the bus make a sharp turn, you will be fell down and you hurt yourself. Okay, or when the speed breaker come, then you may hurt yourself. So better for you go and sit at your seat. Okay, that's why we want you to sit down, child. That's why I'm telling, go and sit at your seat, my child. I'm not a child, I tell you, she said irritably. I'm 8 years old. The girl who was standing over there, she told, what? She said irritably, गुस्से में होकर कहती है. Okay, I'm 8 years old. I'm not a child. I'm 8 years old. Of course. How stupid of me. तो कंडक्टर कहता है कि how stupid I am. Okay, 8 years, my. You are 8 years. I'm not understanding. Okay, you are great. Okay, just मिमिक्री करते हुए वो कंडक्टर कहता है. Okay, so let us stop here. So tomorrow, or we will start from here. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.